Hi, how are you?
Hey.
Are you recording me?
I am.
Without my consent? No,
I got
you got one already?
At Showgirls.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Well, then I'll see you tomorrow or Friday, right?
Mwah.
Okay. Bye. Oh.
Hey,
bye.
sexy.
Hey, take one of these. You got a photo, so you have to take one.
I definitely will, sir.
Okay. Hi. You like a good country girl with a filthy mouth? Go down.
Where are our friends? Oh, there you are. Hello.
Hey.
I lost you. Do you know who Ro Esparza is? Who what? Ro Esparza. He was on the dance floor. He's a Bravo actor, very cute.
Oh. Is that like soft and
It's the Devil Wears Payless tonight at 10. If you like the Devil Wears Prada, you'll love the Devil
If
Wears
you like the Devil Wears Prada, you'll love the Devil Wears Prada.
It's the Devil Wears
Like the Devil Wears
tonight
Prada,
at
you'll love the
10.
Devil Wears Prada.
If you like the Devil Wears Prada, you'll love the Devil Wears Payless tonight
If
at
you like the
10.
Devil Wears Prada, you'll
What's your next move?
No idea.
I vote Shipwreck. Hey, Dan.
Oh, here they come. Oh, here they come. Oh, they're coming.
Oh, we're
Here come the drag queens.
We're here.
We're here on HBO Max. Hi, boys. How are you? You like a good country girl with a filthy mouth? Come see me tomorrow,
Like sashay around like that McDonald's.
Woo! Love it.
Hello, Johnny.
I vote Shipwreck.
I do too.
Shipwreck or Gifford House?
Well, Mike wants to change
Right
his
there.
shirt. Okay, well that's close by, so yeah, so we'll go change our shirts and then watch out, we're gonna get hit. Hey, bitch.
Oh, I'm gonna get run over. You want to see a good country girl?
Prada, you'll love the Devil Wears Payless.
I think I'm stuck.
I think you are.
It's a gaggle of gays.
Tell the guy behind I'm stuck. 'Cause he keeps beeping at me like
We saw you last night. You were wonderful.
No filming, please. No videos, please.
Yeah, please. I'll see you there.
We're trying to squeeze in.
Good to see you.
No, it's a money bag. Oh, it has only one zipper.
I do think it's like a song. Right? Yeah. I think you see it like on Facebook.
That's exactly what I told
Where are you gonna go eat?
Well, I'm gonna have a burger.
It's a reality TV show. Well, I don't see you out in nature walking children. That's what he said to me. I don't see you out in nature walking children. It was so
Inside. Which way? This way?
Yeah.
Or Gifford.
Yeah, we can walk up right in.
All right. Yeah, let us know where you are.
And I'm like, I don't like any part of this. Although I've been showing this movie, so I guess I know better. But
You want to see my son?
Their dog was
But she hasn't spent it.
He's Yes. He's like, he's not going to.
I'll see you tomorrow night.
That's original. He's not so big. He's a little one.
I know, he is a little one.
We're going up, right?
Robert Rossiter vibes. Yes.
Up we go.
Tripping.